Times I drown in silent tears, a heavy heart to bear. Curled up in a darkened room, I didn't care. Just wanted to hear the rain's soft plea as my thoughts grew deep and endlessly. A chance encounter, dreams we shared, two hearts yearning, hoping, cared. But soon the distance grew so wide, and now I realize my heart's denied. Will those cherished feelings fade away like the ephemeral moonflower sway? Will your eyes still shine bright and clear? If we meet again, will there be cheer? And when we cross paths in the crowded street, will we smile or just pretend not to meet? Memories now replace the past. How much time will these scars last? Is your heart at peace, can you say? Is there a magic spell, can you pray, to bring us back to where we used to be? Are you as lost as I am, you and me?
Our love, a night blooming jasmine, forced to close its eyes, so close yet so far. A silent painful cry, 'cause like the sun we've gone our separate ways. A casual meeting, yet leaving such a maze. Like dawn and dusk, leaving dew behind. My heart's amazed with no peace of mind. If we were just passers-by, could love have found its way? If love were bittersweet, would our love have stayed?
Will those cherished feelings fade away like the ephemeral moonflower sway? Will your eyes still shine bright and clear? If we meet again, will there be cheer? And when we cross paths in the crowded street, will we smile or just pretend not to meet? Now time has given me more memories to hold on to like precious seas. If only we could break the rules and erase the pain and sorrow, leave no trace. Will these tears ever turn back time? How long will these thoughts of you intertwine? Day by day, we sink deeper and deeper. Does anyone know the pain we keep?